Well, the Master Irrigator came from a Master Marketer program where Steve Amison at Texas A&M had put together a program to teach producers how to market their commodity, their grain. And we looked at that, and we had a couple of board members that had attended that and decided that that would be a really good format for teaching producers or showing producers new methods that they could employ in their field.
You think of the gamut that we covered on this thing, you know, going all the way from systems and how you can improve systems, how you can deal with different fertilizers, you know, different planting dates, using soil probes, irrigation scheduling, all the way to, you know, the drones and satellite imagery to improve, you know, the producer to be able to get more out of that water, not to be wasting it, and occasion to be able to save it.
Well, we're looking for meat. In doing these programs, this is more than just the general, this is about farming stuff. This is about, okay, yes, you're already running a pivot, or you may already have drip irrigation in. What are some of the next level stuff you need to know about it to make it work better for you? And that's true with like soil moisture probes. Many of the people had soil moisture probes here. What the whole program was developed is to give them a little bit better, a little bit more understanding of how that equipment and those methods can be a better service to them. And I think that's the nature of the program, is putting stuff out there that's not where it's just generally someone can pick up a book and read it somewhere. The reason that we do our producer panels is to talk about firsthand, how in the heck did this work for you? And if it didn't work, what was the problems? Because we want to showcase not just the successes, but the things that people have had trouble with in trying to implement the type of technique and methods.
Some of the most progressive producers in the area, and actually outside the area, you know, they still are not always aware of what's going on, and that's one of the things that I think this program brought about, is what the water district's been involved in, you know, with the 345, the 212, and some of the results coming out of there. And the more people you can become aware, you know, of those results, the faster the dissemination process. And I think that, you know, we were able to highlight some of those results, and in the future we'll be able to highlight even more of them. No matter whether you're talking to a banker, or you're talking to a producer, you know, or an irrigator, or whatever, you know, they all have their specialties. But the one thing they do understand is dollars and cents, and how do these technologies apply to them? Are they worth taking? And that's what we found out. Sometimes they're not quite ready to adopt, but this one is, and you should be practicing. It's going to save you money in the long run.
Gather some information that people can take back, talk to the experts, have the ability to get to an expert to help them solve a potential problem or challenge that they're having in their own fields. This is absolutely a really good way to adopt.
Speaking to the producers afterwards, you could tell that yes, they were really glad that they attended this program.